Hello guys, welcome to my channel on YouTube Technical Knowledge. I am going to tell you about OPPO A97 mobile. Before I start the video, please subscribe my channel on YouTube Technical Knowledge and press the bell icon. So guys, about OPPO A97 5G. OPPO A97 5G is the upcoming mobile from the OPPO that they expected to be launched in India on December 21, 2022. The mobile will come with adequate specification and the decent specification. It is rumored to be available at the starting price of 27,990. OPPO A97 5G is set to run the Android V12 operating system and might be packed with a 4,500 mAh battery. The will let you enjoy the playing games, listen the song, watching movies and more for a longer duration without worry about battery drainage. It is the tipped that the upcoming phone from the OPPO will come with the 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of the internal storage. Hence, you will able to store all your songs, videos, games and more the phone without worry and about the space contents. Apart from the mobile is like to be occupied with a powerful octa-core processor so that you can enjoy the seamless performance while the accessing multiply apps and playing intense graphics games. Speaking about the camera specification, the phone from the OPPO is rumored to feature a single camera setup on the rear. There might be a 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel so that you can click some lifelike pictures. Features on the rear camera setup might include digital zoom, auto flash, flash dedications, touch of focus. On the front, the OPPO A97 5G expected to come with a 16 megapixel camera for selfie and video started and video chats. The phone is rumored to feature a 6.5-inch display with a resolution of 1080 into 2040 pixels so that you can enjoy watching movie or playing games. OPPO A97 5G expected to come with a various connectivity option. The might included Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, supported by device network not the rolled out in India, 4G supported and 3G and 2G supported. A smartphone might included light sensors, proximity sensors, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. I tell you, OPPO A97 5G price in India. Please carefully listen. OPPO A97 5G smart price in India upcoming expected it will be launched in India and December 2022 unofficial. The mobile will come the adequate specification and the decent specification. It is the rumor to be available in starting price of 27,999. I tell you brief summary. Camera 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, display 6.5 megapixel, RAM 8GB RAM. Please subscribe my channel Technical Knowledge on YouTube and press the bell icon and please leave comments and I see you next video.